This could be the car for you. The 2024 Toyota Corolla Cross. Connect with comfort and convenience in this practical-minded Corolla Cross. Versatile, efficient, and equipped with desirable driver assist and infotainment tech. It's your daily driver dream come true. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, satellite radio, heated mirrors. Feel smart about the drive in this super sensible Corolla Cross. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.